You gonna get us fucked up, bro. So you gonna get us fucked up. What? I swear to God, we're gonna be
Fucked
fucked up.
Like what? Cause you stealing all
You
these
gonna get her killed.
shit?
You gonna get her killed. That's how I
Nigga,
feel it.
you a boss. You steal these niggas bitches. So what? They was all
that killed.
in line.
Cussing and stuff. Calling these women bitches, bro. They brothers and shit on here, they ain't gang.
Okay.
Talking about bitches.
Let me say bitches or hoes.
You gonna get her
Which one?
fucked up. You gonna get her killed.
Ah, Jesus Christ. Hey, you the one that got these niggas bitches and shit.
We gonna get spent. That's how I do it.
I got your back, dog.
Whatever. Hold on. Let me see some shit.
Yeah, you the one that got a reality show and bitches fighting just to get on the bitch. You got
all right. You know we could have been. Listen.
Women ready.
But listen, wait. Before I add anybody else, you came to me and you say, Tim, I want you to put me back on the label.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
You did. You said that, right?
Yes, I did.
So you know what you got to do to get back on the label.
I'm back already.
Get the other artists in here. You know what you got to do to get back on the label.
Oh yeah, I'm #1 for a reason. Put on the motherfucking show.
Put your jewelry. Put on all your jewelry. Put on all your jewelry, because you're gonna need it. What chain that one is?
No days off.
Huh?
No days off.
Why ain't go on? What you fixing the chain?
Yeah.
What happened?
Now make sure I put it on right.
That motherfucker look like it big.
It is.
Damn. You doing it like that? You go Versace on them folk, then you go hit them with the chain? You can get you a little paper, ain't it? You might need to sign me. Get you a little chain and shit. Let the collar down. Let the collar down. What are you doing?
I know what I'm
the collar
doing.
Down on the chain. You got it sticking up like that.
I got the collar down.
Get that raw. What else you gonna put on? That's the only jewelry you got tonight?
Yes.
Yes. Come to the camera. Let me see it. Nigga, goddamn.
No.
Let me see it. Yeah, we gonna get robbed tonight. They gonna rob her. How much you paid for them? Huh?
$100,000.
How much?
A couple of thousands. Shit, you know, here and there. A couple of thousands, you know. Here and there.
What shoes you gonna wear with the outfit? Show me the shoe you gonna wear with the outfit. Sit the phone back down. Sit the phone back down.
What kind of shoes?
Sit the phone back down. Show me the shoe that you gonna wear with that outfit.
1 second. One second. These.
Let me see the pant. Let me see the pant. Let me see the pant. Let me see the pant you gonna wear with it. Show me the pant.
Oh, the pants at the dry.
No, don't move, nigga. Don't move. I swear to God, drop me. Show me the pants.
The pants at the dry cleaners.
Okay, listen. Don't fucking move. Show me the pants you got on right now with the outfit.
The pants? The other pants at the dry cleaners.
Don't play. I swear to God, if you move and try to change your pants, I'm gonna drop you.
Why would I change? What the fuck?
I'm gonna drop you from the label. Listen, show me the pants that you got on with them with that shirt.
All right, here, hold on.
No.
That is, I'm setting it up.
Be still. If you walk out, I'm dropping.
I'm not walking out.
off, you getting dropped. Show me the pants you got on with that outfit.
Look, these.
I can't see it.
It's some black. Look, these are black tuxedo pants that go with this. It's like a tuxedo shirt, so it's black. I got on black tuxedo pants.
So where the hell you going this time of night, God? It's like 12 o'clock, like with that shit on. Like where you going?
I'll be going to the club sometime.
So you going to the club with that on?
Yeah, it's just like a tuxedo shirt, just a little bit different.
How are you at, Glock?
I'm 24.
And you finna go to a club, you 24 with a 42-year-old outfit on. You finna go to the club like that.
Or I could just put this shirt on with the tuxedo pants with my fur coat.
You got let me see the fur coat.
My fur coat. I'll be looking.
You gotta take that out of.
I'll be looking like a Persian pimp. Hold on, I got it hanging up. Oh.
Hurry up, cause Lil Uzi Vert just got in here. Hurry up.
Yes.
Lil Uzi Vert in here. Put it on, nigga.
All right, hold on. Let me get my other one. 1 second, hold on.
Let me see my other artists in this motherfucker. I ain't even checked on y'all. Hey, trip, drinking, food cold as hell. Let my food get cold.
What's up, Tim?
Where you at?
I'm on the bus on my way home.
You on the bus?
Yeah, on my way home.
How far you in from the house?
It's not that far.
What's not that far?
Like 10 minutes.
You supposed to been on my live. Why you ain't on my live?
My bad, Tim.
You know,
I was hit.
you know they gonna cost you. You know they gonna cost you, right?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
You know it. You know it.
Yeah.
You join live when you get to the house.
I got you, bro.
How far you will?
I told you 10 minutes.
10. You directed 10 minutes.
Yes, I got you.
Put it on God.
I phone God.
If he ain't at the house in 10 minutes, let me see, cuz. 10
No,
minutes.
no.
I'm giving you 5 minutes to get ready.
No, listen.
So that 15 minutes, right?
Listen, I'm gonna get off the bus, and it don't take that long to walk to my house. Like I should like 15
How far
minutes.
to walk in from the bus stop?
To here, it's like 15 minutes.
Get your ass to the house, boy.
I got you, bro.
Get to the house now.
Alright.
Now.
I'm about to get off the bus.
I'm not
anyway.
playing. Get your ass to the house.
Bro, I'm on the bus, on the MARTA bus.
I don't give a damn if you was on the school bus. Get your ass to the house. You know you're supposed to be on live tonight.
I know I'm
He's gonna cost you.
Tim.
You can get dropped. You know I can drop you, right?
Tim, you need me anyway. You need me.
I can drop. You know I can drop you though.
You need me, bro.
I do need you. I need you on this live.
I know. I'm coming, bro. Like, watch it, bro.
I'm gonna find new art.
No,
you think I'm a fucking game?
No, listen, bro.
You think I'm a fucking game? I've been letting you slide and shit.
Tim.
You probably on the martyr bus dissing me and shit to people sitting next to you. That's what you doing.
Watch this, Tim.
Who you send that to? Get a person the phone you send that to.
Bro, I'm gonna get off the bus, Tim. Right now.
Let me talk to somebody on the martyr bus. I want to talk to somebody on the martyr bus.
Tim, I'm off the bus. Too late now. Told you I'm off the bus. I had to turn my camera on while I'm off the bus. Told you I'm off the bus. You see the bus right there? Just got off the bus.
You been selling pussy. Go on and get to the house.
I got you.
Pussy. Been selling pussy. That's what you been doing? Know what he been doing? I'm gonna drop. See, this what got my artists fucked up. They think that I need them. That's a lot of people want to sign to me. I can find somebody tonight if I wanted to. I can find somebody. They think that I fucking need them. and I sit the phone down, Glock. I'm having a conversation right now because I'm finna get a new artist because I feel like y'all take me as a joke. That's what I feel
Nah,
like.
my brother apparently. Whoa.
Fuck your brother. Listen, I'm trying to find a new artist because I feel like y'all don't appreciate shit that I do for y'all.
What you
Do
mean?
you appreciate me?
Yes, the hell I do. Every time I
Take
fall
the
off, I
fucking
come back.
headband out, bro, because you making me mad.
I need to.
Put on the hat or something. Take the headband out. I'm finna get mad.
This go perfect with this.
No, it don't. Go change something else. I'm finna get me a new artist. What this? Y'all fuck nigga think I need y'all?
Hey, that's not me. That's them, not me.
Wrong child, man.
I've been working with you for years.
Don't matter. You don't give me the right credit. That's what I'm saying.
I am gonna give you credit. I'm
You
done
heard
working with you.
He said, Tim, you need me. I'm gonna get him wet. He wet.
Who said
Bob
you need me? Who
said that.
about
He
me?
said I need him. Bob told me that. So what you think I should do?
Oh, I know this card. Self-sabotage. Okay, Bob. So that's what you're trying to
I'm
play.
gonna get him wet. No more talking. You on his side too?
I'm not on his side.
Get your ass wet too.
He switched up on me for women.
I don't want to hear all that.
That belong to the streets.
You acting like you with him. Get your ass wet
I
too.
am not.
Hold on, let me see. I can have fucking artists. They act like I can't find no fucking artists. Plenty of people want to fuck with me. I
had a diamond watch, but I don't know where the fuck it's at.
Yo.
Shalom, man.
Who that is?
Hey, you don't tell him to hold on. What the hell?
I ain't tell him, hold on. I said, what are you on?
He ain't even in the camera. Put your jewelry on, bro. I need these niggas to see this shit. We getting fucking money. Put your fucking jewelry. Hurry up and put your jewelry on. What you doing?
Hey, I'm looking for my diamond watch. I think my brother wore it. I can't find it.
Fuck a watch. Put the fucking necklace on so we can have some jewelry on the live. We ain't got no jewelry on. Put your fucking jewelry on. Damn. Let you fuck know we getting money. True. Fuck wrong with you?
Getting money, nigga. Yo ass like a pimp out here. You the one that's still.
I get me another artist.
Yeah, I've been working with you for like what 6 or 7 years.
Yo, what it do? Who that is?
Man, shit. Coolin', what up?
Who me?
Meeting.
I can't see you.
DJ.
I can't even see you, bro. I ain't gonna lie. No, I can't see you.
What you over?
Yeah, I can see you now.
Should it be like that?
Where the hell you from? What part?
From the A.
What part?
Decatur.
When y'all say
Decatur.
the A,
I'm saying, what about Indicator?
Like, got down on the east side, got down like by fucking Candler Road.
You from Cobb County, bro. Tell the truth.
Man. Nigga, anybody from no damn car, nigga. You from Cobb County.
What the hell you be doing? You be rapping? You do YouTube?
Nah, I do YouTube and shit.
You from Decatur, for real?
Oh, he from out.
Yeah, nigga.
Okay.
Man, where the fuck you from?
They said in the comment they said I ain't Atlanta, bro.
Man.
Oh, you okay.
Huh?
Where you from, Tim?
I'm from Alabama.
Where you from?
Bitch ass. Hey, Glock.
Yeah.
I'm finna get you in the mall right now. I'm just trying to get me one more little artist or something right quick.
Get a female artist.
Man, shut the fuck up, nigga. You don't tell me what to get.
I've been working with you for years. I'm one of your artists.
Nigga.
I'm one of your artists that...
You one of my hard artists, nigga.
I'm the number one, of course.
Shit. Number one.
I'm done working with
Hold on, be quiet right quick. Damn, you talk too much. Shut up.
All right.
Wait. God damn. Talk too goddamn much. Bro, that's your problem. Yo.
be in here till.
Who that is?
Oh,
She trying to fuck me, Glock.
dang.
Yo, what's up? Girl?
What going on?
I'll go
What's
past.
poppin'? What going
What that is? You got a
on?
bob?
Okay.
Nah, my shit
How
is
female
like
y'all
this.
start doing y'all hair
They
like
just got
that,
my.
man?
What you talking about? Do like
Who
what?
did your hair?
What's
It's just
wrong
everywhere.
with my hair? What
You
you
just
mean? I
fuck
just
it.
got off of
Ain't nobody hair
work.
like that. Just got out no goddamn work.
Nah, I don't
When the
do
last time
that.
you
I
had
don't
sex?
fuck.
How?
Let me do
My
How long?
phone don't work. I gotta find a way to make $60 or $70.
I can
You
get you
just,
20. That's all I can do.
I don't be outside.
To help you out,
I
Who
be
you a
get you
working.
manager?
20.
I'm a
It's
manager. I gotta
it's gonna
be at
take
work.
me a little bit tonight, but I can get it.
I ain't finna be.
Huh?
You 6'6", ain't it? You
I'm
6'6", ain't
6'26".
it?
I don't got no
6
phone number.
plus
I
6.
said, where you doing it?
I need one of your phone
What you
numbers in the morning. I
mean?
need
Do
to
what?
text.
I know
Where I
it'll get a
work at?
bug one.
No, give me anyone. I
Let me
need
get
it
Maggie
for
on here.
I
just
can't
check.
hear you.
She ain't trying to
But
fuck.
it's
Alright,
being
give me a minute.
loud.
And I need it.
I'm gonna get out of here, Glock. She ain't trying to fuck. See your quick, Maggie. I need to ask Maggie a quick question. People been sending me shit with Maggie. She got condoms in her hand and shit. I said, what the hell Maggie been doing? Maggie been tweaking. Maggie, you know, see your quick, Maggie. People been like, Maggie been tripping. Like, Maggie been fucking. That's how I know Maggie ain't been fucking like that. Something ain't right. See your quick, Maggie, right quick.
Somebody said, I'm working with Tim the Dunn. I'm not working with Drewski no more.
I supposed to send Maggie a little money or something.
I'm not working.
I'm sending Maggie some money. You know I love Maggie. I gotta send her some money, but I want to ask her a couple questions. People been sending me stuff.
I'm about
People been
to get
sending
Birdman to follow Tim.
I gotta ask Maggie a couple questions.
Oh shit, I gotta reach back out to that artist.
I need some money.
Maggie, I'm gonna send you some money. Let me see you face real quick.
Yeah, I'm in the bed.
What you been doing?
Uh,
What you been doing, Maggie? Tell me the truth.
snorting
Huh?
up a storm.
People been sending me your live and stuff, Maggie. They say you been on that turkey, you have condoms. Let me know, man.
What condom? Yeah.
Where you get the
I
what you been
got a
doing, man?
condom proper. It's a proper. I think the proper. I use the prop over here. I kept it.
What you been doing, Maggie? Tell me the truth.
I've been
You
dancing.
been having sex? You been having sex, Maggie? Have you?
No.
Tell the truth. Tell the truth.
No.
It's Tim you talking to. Tell the truth.
No, the past. That was the past. I still have one left.
Maggie, when the last time you had sex?
That's the past.
When the last time you had sex, Maggie?
I don't know.
It's Tim you talking to now?
I ain't for years. I don't know.
No, don't lie to me, Maggie. I just sent you with a condom.
No, I saved it.
You saved it.
Yeah, Rashid wasn't acting right. So I'm thinking.
You still fucking around Rashid?
Yeah. He been blowing my. I've been ignoring him. He called me for. He can't get no money. I don't want you.
Rashid ain't getting no money, Maggie?
Oh, he working. He ain't give me nothing. So I pushed him away.
So can I ask you a question?
No more free punani.
Can I ask you a question?
I don't give him no free punani.
Maggie. Maggie. I see you $300 right now. With if you let me get some. You'll let me get some if I see you $300 right now?
You must be high up drugs, Tim. What the fuck?
What?
What con? Huh?
I'm asking you a question, man. If I see you $300 right now, would you let me get some?
I don't know. Buy a condom on.
Get in the camera, man. I can't see you. Damn, what you doing?
Man, this.
Buy a condom on.
I said, would you let me get some $300?
I said a condom on.
I gotta put on the corner.
Yeah, look, my daddy here too.
Your dad over there?
Yeah, he in the comments.
Hold on.
Young Junior is here.
Let me talk to your dad right quick. Get on the phone.
He in the comments.
Oh, he in the comment?
Yeah, Young Junior. Being 03.
But I'm asking you, you'll let me hit it for 300?
Yeah, with a condom. If you want, if you want to ask the daddies and see what he says, Young Junior, the daddy.
Yeah, he gonna let me go. Junior gonna let me go. That's my boy. But I'm asking you. Why you saying I put on the phone?
I want to get daddy permission first.
Let me see.
Yeah.
He might not be on here.
No, he here.
I gotta see.
Daddy said, yeah, you better con, you gotta get daddy permission.
My boy.
Jimmy.
What's up with it?
She said I can hit.
Come to the party, you can hit her. She gonna have her own Airbnb room, big boy, big bed. Pull up, man.
So you and your boy cool now. You on charge, y'all all right?
Man, I told you that's my son, man. I take care of him, man. I told you I take care of the boy, man.
You doing shit for the man, daughter and shit, though, Junior.
I know, man. I do for the community. You got to give back. I'm going to die twice. I got to give back to the community. This is why I'm here. I'm giving back. This the hood Santa right here. I give back to my people. You see, I got the biggest party coming. They all coming out to show love. Like, you need to come down here, get some pussy for Maggie, big boy Airbnb for you, nice area for
But I'm saying, if I come down to Florida, I'm going to be good.
Me gonna be good. So
you gonna make sure I'm straight down
there. Man, man, listen, I die about this shit. You come down here. I die about this shit. You come down here. Bring your ass down here. It's too much money. Ass all out in that bitch. You hear me? VIP, we treat you like a father.
See, I respect that.
You gotta come down here though.
I respect that. I'm gonna come down there. I always come down there, but I'm gonna come down there in like 2 more weeks. I'm down there in Miami.
I'm putting on your schedule June 2nd. That's the first week of summer. June 2nd. That's where you need to come.
I'm down there. I'm gonna call you soon when I get down there. I'm gonna call you. You said I'm straight down there, so I'm gonna call your phone to make sure I'm good and all this other stuff.
I ain't in Miami. I'm from Miami, bro. I ain't down there, bro. I'm up the road running it up. I'm on the road with this shit.
So where you at in Florida? Where you at? So I can know, cause when I came down there, Hot Boy made sure I was good down there.
I'm in Cali. When you go to Miami, that's where I'm born and raised.
So you ain't from where Hot Boy them from down there?
He from Orlando.
So that's different from where you from.
I'm in Miami. I'm right there with Trick Daddy and the boys at all deep down.
So you know Trick Daddy?
Huh?
You know Trick Daddy?
Yeah, I met that nigga before.
He a real street nigga down there?
Huh?
He a real street nigga down there?
Hey, she here. Hey, Ashley.
Yeah. Nah, I ain't gonna do it to that nigga Trick. That nigga, I don't know, bro. I don't know, bro. He's straight, bro. I don't know. He ain't do shit for me growing up, shit, or our community. He regular, bro. Maggie.
Huh?
What's up, man? I hear you talking about you gonna let a nigga fuck. You gonna let him fuck and shit. What's up, man?
Huh?
You gonna let him fuck?
Yeah, okay. Ashley.
You know what to do. You know what to do. You know what to do. Show him what you got for him if y'all fuck. You know what
Maggie, he just gave me permission, so what you gonna do?
Show him what you got for him, Maggie. Show him what you got.
My clothes not on. I got a shirt.
Put on some clothes for me. You know how we do it.
My family in here.
Who? Let me talk to your family right quick. Let me talk to one of them.
My cousin in here now. One of them.
Let me talk to your cousin. Let me talk to your cousin right quick.
She in the comments. Her name Meek something.
You just said your family over there.
Oh, you better cut it out. Because Angel is here. Answer in the comments.
So you wouldn't let me get none of that?
You don't got that corner no more, Maggie?
Yeah, I got it.
So what you doing, man? What the fuck? You supposed to be doing? What you doing?
You finna give me beat up. I'm telling you, you know your girlfriend in the comments, Angel. I just
Who in the comment?
You know who the comment? Angel, your girl.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Let me get one of my orders back on them motherfucker with that.
You got an art?
You know, I got plenty of orders.
Let me talk about Glock.
You know Glock.
He want to be.
Glock and a lot of more people.
No, no, Angel.
Let me see.
No, Angel.
I want to get on some
Maggie.
bullshit tonight. Y'all want to get on some bullshit?
Maggie, what's up? What you on, Maggie?
Huh?
What you on, Maggie?